So I've got this redbud tree in my yard, and this is what redbuds look like. But anyways, these are extremely delicious. They're sweet, and they're edible. Just make sure it's a redbud tree. But I mean, this stuff is good. You can put them in a salad. Just eat them right off the tree. So anyways, and of course don't eat them all, but pretty good stuff. So anyways, if you guys didn't know that, redbuds are delicious, very edible. I'll try to include a link to a recipe, which I haven't done, but is to make a relish out of them. But I'll include that so you guys can, someone wants to try it. Actually, you know what? Might be a good challenge for me to put out there. See if one of my members want to go out and try to make that recipe and then post a video and just send me the link. And I'll share your video with other people. So, man, pretty good. All right, guys.